Rilla helps us to fine tune our sales process and make sure the sales reps are on our system the way we'd like them to be. My name's Trent Stone, and I am the owner of LJ Stone Company. We're a home remodeling company. Before we started working with Rilla, the biggest challenge was knowing what was going on in the house. Unless you were with the sales rep on a particular call, you had absolutely no idea really what was being said.
My name is Rick Polai. I'm the sales manager here at LJ Stone. The biggest benefit, I think, for me is it's broadened my bandwidth in such a way that I don't have to be out there every evening. Still know exactly what's going on out there in the field and coach accordingly.
From my perspective, the biggest benefit of working with Rilla, it boils down to accountability and profitability.
We've had an 11% increase in our net close rate since using Rilla. We've had a 22% increase in our NSLI, which is our net sale per lead issued. And we've had about a $1,332 increase in our average sale. Definitely would recommend Rilla. I mean, it's a game changer. I would recommend it for anybody who has sales reps. I think it doesn't have to be in the remodeling industry. I think it can be retail. I mean, it can be across the board. I think the possibilities are probably endless of who could use this. If you need to know what's happening on your front line, that's one of the most important things about your business you can know. And the better your grasp on it, the better you can react.